Hey everyone, myself Bhavya Goyal, a student at IIT Gandhinagar. I welcome you at CodeChef and let's have a look at this question.
Today's question is entertainment. In this question, chef is trying to entertain n children and he has two options. Either he can buy a television for the children to watch that will cost 1000 rupees, or chef can buy n toys, one for each child, which will cost 200 rupees for each toy. Now, what is the minimum cost chef needs to pay to entertain all the children? So in the input will be given a single integer in a single line, and which represents the total number of children that chef has. In the output format, we just need to print in a single line the output, the cost to entertain all the children. In the constraints, we are given that n will be in between 1 and 10. Now let's see the first input. So in the first input, there is only one children. So the cost to buy a toy for one children would be 200. And that is obviously cheaper than buying a television. So the minimum cost is 200. If there are 10 children, then the cost to buy 10 toys would be 2000. And it's obviously better to buy a single television for 1000. So the minimum cost is 1000. Now for the solution, all we need to do is we need to print the minimum of 200 times n, that is the cost required to buy a toy for each child, comma 1000, that is the cost to buy a television, right? So all we need to do is print min of 1000 comma 200 times n. Now let's see the solution in Python first. So we'll begin by taking in the input n, and then we'll simply print min of 200 times n, comma 1000. And that's pretty much the whole solution in Python. The time complexity is constant because we're just doing two, three constant operations. Now let's see the solution in C++. So we'll begin by taking in the input of the integer n using cin. Then we'll simply print minimum of 1000 comma 200 times n using the function cout. Now again, the time complexity is constant because we're just doing four, five constant operations. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole solution as well. I hope you liked it. Thanks. Bye bye.